Ngayon, gumaganda ka na, kumikita ka pa.
Gusto ko yung tightening effect.
Pimple prone ako dati, but now, no worries.
I can't stop. The effect was amazing.
40 na ako, pero I swear, walang naniniwala.
It really changed our life.
What makeup conceals, Boucher reveals.
Gaganda ka na, yayaman ka pa.
Ang laki kasi talaga ng improvement sa face ko.
Your friends will really notice the difference.
It's an honest business.
Excellent products.
Nire-recommend ko na talaga yun sa mga friends ko kasi talagang nakikita nila yung improvement.
Sa trabaho kasi hindi pwedeng hindi maganda yung itsura ko.
Ayoko pa talaga dati, kaso pinilit talaga ako ng friend ko.
As a housewife, malaki ang natutulong sa amin ng Boucher. More than half ng expenses namin, yung payment sa Boucher namin nakukuha.
Imagine, ang dami-dami kong ginamit na mamahaling skincare products. Buti na lang na i-share ng pinsan ko ang Boucher.
Gusto ko yung tightening effect. Ramdam ko talaga na nababanat ang face ko. Nakakabata talaga.
When I did the Boucher business, I already began thinking it is going to be a huge success.
Pimple prone ako dati, but now, no worries.
Hindi porket lalaki ka, hindi ka na pwedeng gumamit ng mga pampaganda ng muka.
Unique talaga ang formula. My face is glowing na. Parang may natural moisture.
It really changed our life.
Simple lang. What makeup conceals, Boucher reveals.
Sa Boucher, dalawang pwedeng mangyari. Gaganda ka na, yayaman ka pa.
I began using the soap and the effect was amazing. I can't stop.
I started with the Boucher Beauty Bar, yung orange.
Dati, akala ko, pag direct selling, ang part-time lang.
Sa work ko kasi importante, confident ka. Hindi na naman tayo bumabata, di ba? We need to reverse aging. Every time ginagamit ko siya, napapasmile ako. Ang laki kasi talaga ng improvement sa face ko.
It's an honest business. Many of our clients keep coming back because they experience what we promised them.
Yeah, your friends will really notice the difference.
Ngayon, everyday happy and confident na ako.
I really recommend Boucher to all teenagers like me because to us, confidence is really important.
It's something I cannot live without.
Boucher.
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 Boucher.